Hello bachcho, let's see the question. The question states that the electromagnetic radiation of lambda equal to 0.3 micrometer falls on the photocell operating in a saturation mode. The corresponding spectral sensitivity of the photocell is J equal to 4.8 microampere per watt. Find the yield of the photoelectron. So हमें फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने मिलेंगे अगर इतनी वेवलेंथ के फोटोन एक फोटो सेल पर फॉल हो रहे हैं और उसकी फोटो सेल की सेंसिटिविटी दी हुई J इक्वल टू 4.8 माइक्रो एम्पियर पर वैट. दैट फोटो yield of the photoelectron, that is the number of photon produced each by each incident photon. So each incident photon कितने number of photon यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. Therefore ये प्रॉब्लम किससे रिलेटेड है? दिस प्रॉब्लम इज रिलेटेड टू की कंसेप्ट photoelectron in photoelectric effect. Number of photoelectron in photoelectric effect. Number of photoelectron in photoelectric effect. So in photoelectric effect जब n number of photon fall हो रहा है किसी फोटो सेल पर, so therefore it the power incident will be power incidence P equal to क्या होगा n into E. So P equal to n into hc by lambda. Therefore this become, so the current produced, now the current produced I equal to क्या होगा P incident power into J into current into sensitivity. So therefore this, and finally so photoelectron E equal to number of photoelectron becomes number of photoelectron equal to I upon E. Therefore number of photoelectron, let us denoted by n E. So n equal to I की वैल्यू P into J upon E. So n E equal to, so P की वैल्यू हमारे पास है n hc by lambda E into J. So therefore हमें यहाँ पर क्या निकालना है, that is number of photoelectron per photon hc J by lambda into E. Therefore n E by n equal to h is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 23 into C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 into J दिया हुआ है, that is 4.8 milli ampere per watt. This is minus 3 ampere per watt upon lambda, that is 0.3 micrometer, means 10 to the power 6 meter into 1.6 charge on the electron into 10 to the power minus 90. So this is equal to 95.47 into 10 to the power minus 18 upon 0.48 into 10 to the power minus 25. This is equal to, so here one mistake, that is here mistake only we write minus 23, it is 34. So therefore this become, ये कितना होगा 29. So this become 198.9 into 10 to the power minus 4. That will become 0.0 198 approximately 0.02. Therefore we can say that this is also 1/50. Therefore जब 50 फोटोन यहाँ पर गिरेंगे, so we will get the one photo electron. This is the number of photon per number of photo electron per photon. तो आशा करता हूँ आपको सॉल्यूशन समझ में आया होगा. थैंक यू.